So, hello beautiful people, welcome to another round. 802 of me learning and stuff. And well, just let's get into it. And I forgot to start the timer. Yeah, I want to remap. So I will be rewriting my layout on a keyboard. What is the result? I feel it's it's better than it was like some time ago. $740. Okay, that's that. Oh, well, what are we running here? Nothing. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to change my keyboard layout. So let's do that. Yeah, sure, update. And that was the QK firmware. We'll open it in this window. That was, and I have changes in here. Seriously? What are the changes? I have it differently. Oh fuck, okay, so word. I don't care about this. Yeah, so this is the greater, smaller, okay. And how come what is this? It's comet thingy, okay. And this insert KL comma dot, yeah. Okay, we don't need, what is this? HN, that is and oh yeah, I was just trying that in here, so I'll delete that, and I will do commit. So I'll do Control K, and here I don't want the README. This will be less. Yeah. We'll commit. Now, what I want to do is to add, switch to double quotes and single quotes. So that's this. So like that. Voila. Maybe I could flash the keyboard now and find out if that works before making the commit. Looks nice. Okay, my keyboard doesn't work, so I'll try to disconnect it and connect again. It did compile okay, right? try to connect it to a different port. That helped last time. Sorry. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, here we go, now it works. And it is in the place which I expect. Cool. It's funny how like it bricks sometimes the port, the USB port which I use sometimes. When I flash, yeah, it's not usable the port anymore on the hub. If I try a different one on a hub. Marhaban. Salam alaikum. Okay. Cool. It's okay, I would say. A little bit off today. Someone mentioned my ex in a conversation, and I just well, it is what it is. Okay, so I can commit this because that works. Just commit. And tower push. Successful. Okay, so we'll kill. That's the only. Holy fuck! It. IntelliJ weird. Because normally if you had like open like 2 instances of IntelliJ, if you closed one, it wouldn't close all of them, but now it does. Going check's not available. Sure, no one cares. Oh, that was the only window I'd open. I thought, okay, never mind. That's okay. This window is. Okay, and finally, we will be doing what we came here for, which is this thing. And also, I can turn on that thing. Where's this? Yay. Okay. Close this, close that, and this should be dead right now. Okay. And we are continuing in this thing over here. And I will this is new also. It's interesting in work right now because the the head of the branch I'm in is leaving, right? And now it's not known who will be the leader of it, and there are a few candidates. It's kind of interesting how to observe how they are like behaving. Probably with the hopes that they will be the leaders, maybe, I don't know. Oh, Angiform. It looks like I already did read this. One of them told me that none of them have the experience and features to be one. That was one of them, like, opinion. And I don't think I have a like too strong opinion on who it should be. Now I'm in the observer role, you know, and I want to see how it will go, because there are some hints that it might go not so nicely, and it would be it might be a good time to look for another job, you know, because, well, it depends. I need to think about it more. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I guess. Hey, and welcome. And nice nickname. I like it. This one is pretty straightforward. You just put it in here as an attribute. You would do an attribute or a property. And then you just put a hashtag in front of it, and that's it. Yeah, I'm just looking at the template variables in Angular right now. And here I have a timer for the amount of time which I will be going through the documentation. It's visible, right? I found like interesting thing, and that is like on my screen. Please don't learn Angular. Why not? This is kind of dangerous because now it looks like I cannot use. No, that should be phone. This and that, those are different things, right? You spent all your time learning it and finally understand what's going on under the hood, you will understand. That sounds like I know, but I am not telling you. So that's not really nice advice, is it? No, yeah, you definitely you should have a look, like what's the demand in your area. That's a good strategy, I would say. So let's see, how does it, phone number. It's here. Okay, so pass the value to event handler. Okay, so that should be the first thing up top. Better in which way? Or for what scenarios? And what do you mean by breaking down for too much? Okay, so do you have an article I could look at? Maybe. Call. What does it do? Nothing. Let's see console. Ah, here we go. It says calling. Shit. But why were we referencing that? Button click. Oh, here we go. Here we are calling a method with that. I see. I mean, and even if it sucks pretty badly, my intention is to get paid by doing Angular. Oh. Oh, but that's not comparing Angular, is it? That's Svelte versus Vue. I was hoping that you would point me to an article. Oh, here we go. They are talking about Angular. Ease of updates, you can easily upgrade your application to the newest version of the framework using ng update command. We prepared a small list of benefits and downsides. Okay, cons. Busy range. Harder to learn. Yeah. This one I don't know. Sure, no problem. Okay, the other I don't know what they mean. So it's harder to learn, huh? Okay. Heavy modules. To manually exclude modules you don't use. Use lazy loading modules to simplify and lighten your code structure. Okay, this one is interesting. Okay, and what do you think is the reason from those not to learn Angular? Basic documentation, harder to learn, or having to disable slow performance framework? Where it was JSX. Well, obviously I will not switch right away from learning React to something else, but thank you for the article. I will have a look at it later. And really the fact, even if the Angular would be like really bad framework, but companies there are still would be paying for the job to being done in that, then I would learn that, because I mean, for me it's not, the goal for me is not to work in the best programming language or best framework. For me the goal is to get paid and develop as a programmer. So I don't mind if the programming language or the framework I'm working is has some shortcomings. For me, the main thing is to being paid well and have lots of job opportunities. Score Daniel React and demand one. It's absolutely needs anymore since what's Interesting. I will read about it. I'll finish my time with Angular now. Okay, so I understand how this works now. It's quite straightforward. I read this one. Sure. That makes sense. That makes sense as well. You learn something which has value and pay will come to you. I mean, very tricky wording which you are using, like has value, right? Defines that depends on how you define the value in here, and then I can agree or disagree with you. Oh, it depends on the region which we are in. For example, in here there doesn't seem to be a much of view jobs. I'm located in Czech Republic. If you wonder. Yeah, Czech Republic, Europe. The another like good alternative in here would be a React, I think. Regarding the job opportunities, I'm not sure about. Yeah, that's true. I'm actually thinking about like working fully remotely for like overseas company or something like that. I'm doing that anyway now, but I just want to be like direct hired because of money reasons. Well, not sure if millions, but yeah, there are, especially after the COVID, right? Everyone is suddenly like remote friendly, which is pretty nice. At least something good that came out of the COVID situation. That's interesting. What is this? Oh, I'll have a look at it too. Thank you. Oh, what the other button does? That was call fax, which is doing. It's the same thing. So yeah, I don't worry about verifying my number or profile. Oh, that's actually good. You know, like especially in one of the company we are dealing with in work right now. They hired like people which are unbelievably junior profile, and It's hard to get some like reasonable work from that part of the company, but suddenly you look like a rock star in that company. Getting reference to a different value by a reference a directive export as name. The following example, the template variable item form appears 3 times separated by HTML. Okay. Oh, is there an update on my pull request to Angular? Oh. Oh, fucking A. Oh, 6 days, so maybe he will have a look later. And this one hopefully will be reopened after he reads the comment. Okay. How did I reload? If he doesn't respond, I will create another pull request. Three times, so that's because, well, okay, I see. On submit, you submit the form. Hidden, okay, so that's the button. If it's, okay, so let's have a look in here, and we are wrong place. So that's here. And submit it as I'm interested on what is happening in here. Well, in my previous home project, I did use a Docker for the database, for my database to live in. So I know just the very basics of it. So without the gform reference of item form would be HTML form element, okay. Difference between component and directive. That Angular references a component without specifying the attribute value. Okay. Directive does not change the implicit reference or the element of the element, maybe. Okay, so this lets me disable that thingy, but that was in where the onSubmit is reference variables forms and ng form. Okay, so let's see it. It's here. I can submit. Okay, so how can I do this invalid? Now it's paused, but I don't see the fucking breakpoint. So if I do step over, okay. Now it shows me. Okay, so and I wanted to know what the ng forms contains. Form, event emitter. Some shit. Okay, and in the form, controls, status invalid. So why it's not disabled? Valid, item form valid. Item form value. Try to dive with a group of people from meetup, spend 3 hours after. Okay, so you meant you had problems like installing the Docker, or you had a problem to spin up the image, or what is it? Okay, so I want to know what will be ng form valid. It is false. Well, normally if normally I jump on a call with someone when he has like problem like that. What I did, I just followed like one of the tutorials or something, and it worked for me. I'm not sure if I'm in the condition to I don't even remember me writing any scripts or whatever. I just spin it up, configure it, and then connect to it. That was it.
Somewhere between human and the machine.
And I'm not sure what the git pop is. Okay. I might not be the best person to ask in that case. Maybe you need someone like knowledgeable of that, probably. What am I doing here? I was looking at that and this. Oh, this is the submit message. Just the submit message. I see. I saw the button will be disabled, but it's not. So here's nothing. Okay, so where's the thing here? Sure. So it actually works. It actually fucking works. I just did not. Yeah. Ma salama. Ma salama, brother.
Somewhere between human and the machine.
Well, the main thing is that this takes it in item form. Then it extracts the value from it. It says form value. What if I have multiple values in that forms? What then? What then will happen? Now I have a form and the value is here. Oh, and it's name. Okay, so in the code it is label name, input name is name. What if I do input, or I will do this and this, what is this for? I don't know, delete it. This will be I don't know. Hey, it's form. This will be another, and I'll just delete this. Is it okay to fake it until you make it in programming? Asking for a friend. Well, think with with the fake it until make it is it could be also rephrased, and that is uh, believe until relieved or something like that. No, or believe uh, until until done or something. Because sometimes, you know, you you come into a situation when even you don't believe that you will make it. And uh, one way how to like perceive and be indestructible is even though all of the people are not believing in you, and even you don't believe that you will make it, but still every day you do the shit and you do every single step and you focus just on the thing which is right in front of you and solve that problem, that small tiny problem, and go to the next small teeny tiny problem and small, then you are unstoppable. Even if you don't believe that you can do it. And I think that's the spirit of the fake it till you make it. Because when you start doing something huge, which the programming, in my opinion, is, you know, like have the career in programming, it's not easy. Then sometimes, you know, even if you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, the best way is to just continue, because the light at the end of the tunnel is, and you just don't see it yet. So I think it is important to proceed, even if you suck. You're really bad, and even people are telling you to quit, which did happen to me, right? And now look at me. I'm valued at my current company. People are searching for my advice in the company, and I solved like already some problems regarding line 35. I think you have to edit ID name on the corresponding input element. Do you have? Yeah, I don't know what the for is. Oh, so it should be on the inputs. Ah, I see. So it's not enough to have the name, huh? Thank you. Thank you very much. So now it should recompile. And oh, the fuck. You're rocking it. I told you that I saw your dedication and continue learning. I believe. Oh, thank you so much. That's so nice. Wow. Where's the fucking button? Did I deleted it? I will undo those things. Oh yeah, I did. Oh fuck. Okay. So we will. Oh fuck. Name. And now we have the thing. Why is it named the second time in here? Hold on. Oh yeah, I know why. Oh, you see it already as well. And we will do that was break like that, I think. Yep. Okay, so if I do this, now I do submit, will it work? Haha, now it doesn't, because he doesn't know which thing to use. So I think if we go to on submit, now I have to specify dot name, maybe like that, and it doesn't fucking work. I have the fucking debugger in there, so I can find out right away. Reload. Hello swarm. We do submit, and now I will have the, yeah, so it's value name hello swarm. So why if I do step over and the value name is, and this form value name says hello swarm, so what the fuck? Ah, because it is string already, it's not. I see. And the console is nothing because it crapped itself, maybe. So what about now? Oh. Says twice. Technically, the element label should not contain the element inputs, but I doubt the browser will make an issue of it. I expect it to, well, yeah, I do. Look, if I do this and I do submit, it, I would swear it did work like that. Hodor. This is the new shit. Oh fuck. Like that. It's worn in there. This submit message is yes. That's true. That's true. That's true. I'm tired already. It just changes the submit message. Why is it with the underscore? And the submit message is here. Yeah, that's not what it's supposed to do. This is an example which I downloaded. And hello. So, and now it's submitted value is that, right? But what okay, so this is the current value and this is the submitted. Okay. I'll comment this and then I will uncomment those. I think it is working because some message is shown after JSON. Yes. Yes, 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 it is. You're correct. I will have this, and now I have value name and another. When I submit it, I see. And if I change line 45 to submit, yeah, that's kind of weird. Why it doesn't have the but I can have a look. If I have a look on submit, it's used. Yeah, so get submit message. It returns the private value in here. So that's why it is working. And this is private thingy. I don't know why is it private though. It doesn't have to be. Okay, so it should work if I do dot name in here. This is a name, another, and if I do submit, yeah, it fucking works. It fucking works, man. It fucking works. Yeah. 30 minutes over. Oh no. This is fun. Oh no, Swarm is here, but I should go sleep. God damn it. Yeah. It's like getters and setters all in Java, if you know what I mean. It's basically create getters and setters. It's you know what getters and setters in languages like Java are, right? Exactly. That's used exactly here in the. Oh, let's see if IntelliJ is intelligent enough to tell me where it's used. So I do usages. Yeah, and it shows. Holy. Yeah, you can do that. With one of the higher version of. I don't think it was there all the time. I think it's only since some version of Angular. I'm not sure. Yeah. I mean, isn't that hold on, that might be the TypeScript thingy. Setters, TypeScript. Yeah, that's the TypeScript thingy. Yeah, and that's since I don't want a tutorial. I want the Microsoft thingy. Yeah, TypeScript lang. That's what I want. And here, getter. And this is since TypeScript. No. I'm not sure what is the property in C#. What's you? Oh, it will be in here somewhere. Scripts. Oh, maybe it was here all the time. If I search for getters, getter, yeah, 3.6. In 3.6 there were the language didn't allow get and set accesses in ambient context like declare classes. Oh, so it looks like it's there for a long time, even before 3.6. They just modified in here. Okay, what about the previous search? Get sector chest, get. I don't know. Let's get 1.1. That would be tedious, I think, to find out since when. Okay, since which version of the script gathers. I don't know. Hard to say. I want to spend more time on it. This one is nice. And seems like if this will not be the ng form, it will just not have the valid attribute on it, right? If I do that, like that. Oh. Okay, doesn't let me. Okay, what's the problem in here? Oh, ng form, right? So okay. Form, maybe. Oh, and it has different thingy. Okay, so now it's. What's the matter with you? That is the HTML form element. Okay. HTML form element. Okay, so that works, but the form element, I suppose, does not have some other shit. Why I cannot move it? Weird. Okay. That's some shit. And thank you so much for support, Swarm. I do appreciate it. I really do. I'll do this. Oh, not. Oh, nice. Yeah, I have not been streaming as much lately. I have new layout. Did you notice? Like this this window is smaller, like with the camera, so there's more space. There's more space for the main stage. Yeah, it's hard to find the time, right? Interesting thing, look at that, you know. Here I have the form, right? And if I do visual around tag, the opening, it will find the opening tag even though if it's commented, so it doesn't go in here. And if I remove it in here and I do visual around tag, it takes the whole, so it kind of ignores the comments. Yeah, like if you did watch like, or if you go watch like few of my last streams, I'm usually like dead tired on the screen. and I'm and I'm looking into this and I was like and I'm like nothing of what's happening on a screen or what is written on a screen like gets into my head. Which is kind of funny, I guess. Well, that's not IntelliJ feature. I have this plugin which is called Vim something. Yeah, sleep deprivation. That's what it is. Vim. I don't know. Exit distraction free mode. It's called Idea Vim. So I would not blame them for it. It would be think of that because I'm basically using IntelliJ as a Vim, more or less. Oh, what is the Zen mode? Oh, that's it takes the entire, okay. What is this? I don't have this in work. So if I do the full screen, I still have it in there, huh? Exit full screen. Hello, Benedict. Yeah, maybe, but it's like edge case for me. Oh. No, I'm a real human being. I'm not an animation. This is how that's my face. Oh really? Oh well. I hope like a good character. Oh well, so I did understand that. It's kinda okay. Template variable scope. Also, I will take this and put it into my node. So this will not AngularJS, it's Angular. Oh, fuck that. Yoink. Oh no. Yoink. Here we go. Paste. Oh, it's fucked up. Okay, we'll fix that. Indent mode. Here we go. It's animatronic robot that reacts to chat messages. It uses very advanced artificial intelligence. Yeah, I'm the new Tesla autopilot. Donate $300 to leave a message for Elon Musk. God damn it! I don't want to, but I should go sleep. Yeah, I will go. We'll end up this session. So I'll stop the timer.